Hi, this is Jagriti and you are watching Poetry and You. Please like, share, subscribe the channel.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू पोइट्री एंड यू। मेरा नाम है वर्षा और आप देख रहे हैं अभिव्यक्ति। आज की हमारी जो गेस्ट हैं और उनके संग हम जिस बात पे चर्चा करने वाले हैं दोनों ही मेरे पर्सनल फेवरेट हैं। जी हाँ, जागृति शर्मा, प्रयागराज की फेमस फिटनेस कोच। हाय जागृति।
Hello, Varsha.
हाउ आर यू?
I am good. How are you?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो थैंक यू कि आपने टाइम निकाला अपनी बिजी स्केड्यूल से और यहाँ पे
Not
आप
at
आए।
all. Don't thank me. I think I am glad that you guys have called me here.
सो गया। तो आप मुझे बताएंगे थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में, मतलब अपने काम के बारे में थोड़ा सा।
जरूर। मेरा नाम जागृति शर्मा है एंड मैंने अपने करियर की शुरुआत बेसिकली किसी से इंस्पायर नहीं होके करी थी। मैंने खुद के लिए ये शुरुआत की थी। आई वॉज अ वेरी फैट किड द मोमेंट आई स्टार्टेड हर किसी की लाइफ में जब एक स्टेज आता है where you can say you are a science student, you have to just study and you have to attend coachings only, and then you have only times for food, sleep, and then get up early and just study. So मेरे लाइफ पे भी वो एक फेज था जहाँ पे मैंने बहुत ओवर ईटिंग की और सिर्फ खा के इसलिए रखा ज़्यादा कि मुझे जागना है, काम भी पढ़ना भी है, कोचिंग्स भी जाना है, स्कूल भी जाना है, एग्जाम्स भी है, फिर बहुत सारी और भी चीज़ें हैं। आई हैव टू डू दैट। सो आई थिंक मेरी पूरा फिजिकल जो एक्टिविटी थी वो बिल्कुल ही स्लो डाउन थी। सो आई रीच टू 98 kgs.
And then how did you lose that weight?
I decided I give this promise to my parents that after 12th, like I'll focus on study till 12th, and after that I will just focus on myself before I want to enter into the college.
Okay.
Yeah, तो मेरे को अच्छा लगना है, अच्छा
So you have
दिखना
to
है, I
look
should
all
feel
like beautiful
confident.
in the
Yeah,
college.
yeah, I want to look confident. I think nowadays every kid wants to be fit enough to before entering the college, because once you enter there, then your focus is on something else. So I know I was not mentally and physically confident enough to enter in the college before I am physically confident about myself. So I give this promise to my parents, and after 12th I moved to Reebok CrossFit. They have their camps in Gurgaon at that point of a time when I started my journey, right after 2012.
Okay.
So what happened is that they train you, like they'll train you for CrossFit and any sort of exercises. So I was having a health coach over there who trained me for pretty 2 years. So
2
he
years.
took 2 years to make me, and I think he did it in the portions basically, but it was me who was ruining all his mehnat on me. I used to, Nayana, momos and all that was out for
During
the
your
street.
diet, okay.
Yeah, during my health sessions and the training. Although I used to regret a lot, but I was taking him ऐसे कि ठीक है, हो जाएगा
हो
ना,
जाएगा, ये
अब
करवाया
I
तो
am
हो
under
जाएगा,
him,
हाँ।
तो हो ही जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. So I was taking it in that way कि हाँ चलो ये तो हो ही जाना है, आज नहीं तो कल. But later on, I realized, no, boss, it's just escalating too much. This process is escalating too much, and I don't have this much of time. क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें हैं लाइफ में और भी करने के लिए फोकस. I cannot just focus on this. So I think as a health coach, I understood कि वो मुझे strict कर सकते थे. उन्होंने नहीं किया, because obviously I was a constant source of income also. PTs are generally very, very expensive. So my PT at that point of a time was 85,000 a month. So I was spending a lot. So he was okay with the fact that, okay, it's going, and if I'm ruining his mehnat also on me, is okay. So I think I reached to 46 kgs after that.
In 2 years.
In 2 years.
Okay.
So it was just a graph which moved, and that way I think उसके दौरान मैं college enter कर चुकी थी वैसे भी. So somehow I realized that it took me 2 years to reach to 46 kgs, and later on when I reached to 46, so थोड़ा बहुत दिमाग आया ना, तो I realized that it could have been done much
in few months. Maybe.
yeah, in few months only. So much earlier also. So I decided that हो सकता है that I lack the knowledge in me also. Why not learning this? Like, why not just start learning? I started like as a side by thing, I started learning, doing the certifications for like exercises. So different form of exercises. I started with their certifications, and later on, then again there was this turning point which came into my life where I realized that I should have a knowledge about the food also, because
But since only diet will not do.
only diet will
Yeah.
not do, because in a weight loss 30% is the workout and 70% is the
Diet.
diet.
Okay.
So I need to focus on that 70% part. Even if I want to see myself somewhere, I need to have this kind of a correction in me. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारी चीजें बोलते हैं. Let's say if we have a fever, तो 4 लोग अगर बैठे हैं यहाँ पे तो 4 लोग बोलेंगे कि you should have paracetamol, you should have this medicine. But what suits my body, I should know
I
this.
should know,
I should
exactly.
know that what is my body's intolerance level is. So possibly I think that was that turning point which make me understand that you should have a complete knowledge, not a 30% knowledge, and that the 30% knowledge will someday somehow crash. So there is no end of learning in any career.
Any process.
So you should keep on learning, keep on spending money over your certification. I believe you will anyways learn. Plus India ke andar bhi, India ke bahar bhi, you have a lot of vast various ways to learn. And then of course there is a huge difference between the standards also. So मेरे हिसाब से मेरे early certification सारे इंडिया में हुए. Later on now I prefer
Yes, वही मैं आपसे
international.
जानना चाह रही थी कि आपने जैसे अब्रॉड भी काम किया है
हाँ जी,
ना,
I
और
work-
इंडिया में भी किया है,
yeah.
तो क्या एक वो डिफरेंस आपने महसूस किया?
India में I mean if you would have met me in a gym, how would you address me to someone else? Like if you have to introduce me to someone else, what will you say?
I'll say that you are my trainer.
You'll say you're my trainer.
Yeah.
They call us doctors.
Okay, that's
So that's a difference. They give you a lot of respect, obviously, because you're looking after them, not just because they're paying you very, very high. India mein PT's rates are very, very less, but internationally it goes more up to lakhs and something like that. People give you a lot of respect, plus you understand that you're holding up such huge responsibility in your hands that you cannot fool the person. Also, I would say with the time, people have gained so much of knowledge through YouTube, you can say, through attending the sessions, seminars. People have understood that what suits their body, also on what is their vision about their body, food, mindset, and everything when it comes to their weight loss.
So basically जो आपके clients होते हैं, तो आपके पास जो भी clients आते हैं उनकी क्या concern रहती है अपने weight loss को या फिर diet को?
Not everybody has the same concept that they want to lose weight. Somebody wants to gain weight also. I train male clients also. They want to generally gain muscle and lose body fat. So yeah, and I train kids also. So kids are like nowadays having a lifestyle that they are eating too much of junk. And because in the pandemic, school is basically through virtual means only.
Yeah,
So
so
they
they
are-
are not even going somewhere. or
Yeah,
doing
so there's no
some-
physical
हाँ,
activity.
physical
So
activity.
everybody is gaining. So I'm having kids who are 8 years old and having 80 kg weight, 85 kg weight. So
How
yeah,
do you treat them?
I have to be friends with them first, because then they will start lying to me. So they lie to their parents, that's okay, but they should not lie to me, because I am the mediator between the food, the diet, plus whatever responsibility is given to me by their parents. Right. So yeah, and when it comes to the adults, initially it is very difficult to make them understand the concept, but once you spend like a 4-5 sessions with them, they understand that you know your job very well and you are very concerned about this weight loss rather than them, because my name is actually attached with this weight loss. So I keep telling them, do it for me. If you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for me.
Okay, so
Yeah.
basically आपका जो मतलब आपके जो भी clients वगैरह हैं, है ना, आप इतने लोगों को आपने देखा
Yeah.
है, तो आपके पास हर तरह के क्लाइंट आते होंगे ना,
Yeah.
लाइक कि कुछ आपको बहुत ही पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स देते होंगे एंड कुछ बहुत नेगेटिव भी देते होंगे.
There are definitely.
तो कैसे नेगेटिव लाइक
I think I'll tell you एक बहुत ही recent I think just a week back एक incident हुआ था. There was one very big client who came up to me and she doesn't know anything about this field and उसने कभी कुछ try नहीं किया, but she's a reputed person from Delhi. No, sorry, not from Delhi, from Mumbai. So I am presently training 6 clients from Mumbai. So she was the 7th one. So I was very happy that people are now getting information about me and they're coming up to me. During this pandemic only, they reached to me. So what happened is that this lady was like, saying right on my face, I will never be thankful to you that you given me a weight loss, and do not think that मैं बहुत appreciate करूँगी and I will gonna tell people about it. And I said, don't do that. I have left this expectation 8-9 years back in my career. I don't let anyone speak good about me. It's okay. You don't want to talk good about me, bad about me. It's actually your thoughts. But I know I have done something, and that's how I showcase over my profiles.
तो आपको लाइक इतना ज़्यादा वर्क प्रेशर है ना, ऊपर से डीमोटिवेशन भी मिलता है, इतना ये भी नहीं कि हर कोई आके मोटिवेट करे, तो हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट? क्योंकि आप इतना बिजी रहती हैं तो आपको अपने खुद के लिए भी मेरे ख्याल से टाइम नहीं मिलता होगा जनरली.
I need to take it out because discipline बहुत important है life में. So if I not train myself, if I not eat well, I will not be able to deliver the same thing and make other people understand the importance of it in their life. So and I think I would never take it as a demotivation. I take it as a motivation.
Okay.
So I need to work more hard. I need to reach to some level where there's people, not such people, but I would say then people will not come up and demotivate not just me or to say something like this to me, to anybody. I think we somehow forget to thank our parents also. Every morning,
Sometimes,
every
yeah,
night,
exactly.
whatever they have given to us, the lifestyle, the mindset. But क्या वो अपनी ड्यूटी करना भूल जाते हैं? क्या हम उनकी तरफ हमारा प्यार कम हो जाता है? नहीं. I know this thing कि लाइफ में ये सारी चीज़ें है that you'll not every time you'll find people who are very thankful to you for whatever you have done, because they feel that obviously I paid you, right? I have paid you heavy, so it's okay. It's pretty okay. So you have done your work, I've paid you, and I'm not thankful for that.
So and you're completely okay with that?
I say that I will not take it as a demotivation. I take it as a motivation कि मुझे बहुत 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 और काम करना चाहिए. So it's like that.
That's great. और इतना आपने काम कर लिया है लाइक अब्रॉड में भी, यहाँ पे भी अच्छा खासा, तो आप कितना सेटिस्फाइड हैं अपनी लाइक जर्नी से?
I am satisfied for the fact that I am actually I mean ये मुझे किसी ने कहा था, and I think still people say this to me, regardless people have like negative and positive impact also over them. People said if someone like some kid who doesn't have such big opportunities in your sector and no supporting hand, like I'm not I don't belong to a very high profile family जहाँ पे मुझे recognition मिल जाए, क्योंकि मैं XYZ family से belong करती हूँ, and I've just entered in this industry, and I'll be rewarded into big stages of Allahabad or anywhere else also. So I feel ये सारी चीज़ें कभी डिमोटिवेट की ही नहीं. मुझे बस यही लगा कि मुझे बहुत काम करना है, मुझे बस काम ही काम करना है, और मुझे सिर्फ काम करना है. At some point, someday, people will see, they'll understand कि मैं कहाँ से शुरू किया था और मैं कहाँ पे आ गई हूँ. So I think people say this to me, अगर किसी और बच्चे को ये फील दी जाती और कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी, कोई हेल्पिंग हैंड नहीं, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे कोई सपोर्ट नहीं किया था. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय जर्नी, आई टुक ओनली 1200 रुपीज जो मैंने शायद कन्या पूजन से सेव करे थे. That's it. And I started traveling through tempos to train people. तो ऐसा कोई हाई प्रोफाइल लाइफस्टाइल नहीं था, कोई ऐसा चीज़ नहीं था, कोई ऐसा स्ट्रगल नहीं था जो मैंने नहीं करा था. I have also faced the problem where I have trained a very reputed family members, and they have not paid me even getting trained by me for a month, where they are seeing I'm coming from tempo and rickshaws. So ऐसी भी चीज़ें हैं.
So मतलब आपको तरह के लोग मिले हैं.
Definitely, and I think with all these things I took it
grown up,
I took it very positively कि you have to grow, like this is your initial practice days, you need to grow.
तो आपका मतलब पूरा फोकस काम पे ही रहा है.
I think अभी भी है और आने वाले 20 सालों में भी यही रहेगा, that I want to just focus into my work for the fact that I am into public service और मैं अपने आप को public servant ही समझती हूँ. So अगर मुझे कोई रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं भी करेगा, कोई अच्छा नहीं भी मानेगा, तो भी मैं अपना काम करती रहूँगी उतनी ही ईमानदारी से.
It will not impact you. तो आप मुझे ये बताइए जैसे कि आपको क्या लगता है लोग कितने अवेयर हैं, लाइक अभी रिसेंटली कितने लोग अवेयर हैं न्यूट्रिशन और डाइट और इन सब को लेके,
I
इनकी
think,
सिग्निफिकेंस को लेके?
to be honest, people are, everybody is, but what they see, which I really don't, appreciate, that they just open a YouTube and they feel that whatever is mentioned there, or whatever is being told over there, or whatever XYZ person have eaten, क्योंकि किसी ने अपनी वेट लॉस जर्नी शुरू करी थी और उसने सिर्फ पालक खा के, दाल खा के वेट लॉस कर लिया था, या जो भी करके सैलड्स और एग्स खा के वेट लॉस कर लिया था, तो मुझे भी वही सूट करेगा, एंड आई शुड स्टार्ट विद दैट. One should understand that there is a science behind it, and also A body is different from B body.
Exactly.
If we say na two people are not like similar, so that's the same way, like your internal body is not similar, though your organs are similar, but they function differently. Okay, so ये चीज़ें समझना बहुत important है. तो लोग कभी कभी बोलते हैं कि when I give them a diet plan कि आज ना मैंने इसमें ये भी ऐड कर लिया. I say like, why? Like why did you added this? Like, give me a reason. I won't mind if you give me a science reason behind it. Scientific reason is always welcome. Maybe I don't know anything about the fact you're telling me. क्या पता मुझे कुछ सीखने को मिल जाए. तो definitely if you come through with a very solid reason in front of me, I will happily accept it. I'm not somebody who will shout on you and say कि don't try to overrule my diet.
मतलब लोग खुद से डॉक्टर बन जाते हैं.
हाँ, कभी कभी, लेकिन गलती करते हैं. बट जब ऐसा भी नहीं है गलती करके रियलाइज नहीं करते, बट करते हैं.
याद रियलाइज लेटर जब उसका रिजल्ट आ जाता है.
आई थिंक 3 years, like गलती करने के 3 years, 1 year, 2 year के बाद they come back. So it's okay, like they realize it. ऐसा भी होता है that people have spent money over the gyms, trainers, other trainers, nutritionist, dietitian of the towns. तो उसके बाद भी they realize कि वो impact, वो चीज़ें नहीं मिल रही है हमें, so they come up to me. And then they give me an example. I say like, whatever happened previously, don't talk about that. मुझसे क्या चाहिए, बस इतना बताओ.
Exactly. Okay. So आपके future plans क्या हैं? मतलब कुछ goals जो और achievements आपको लगता है अभी ये achieve करना बाकी है?
I recently had a meeting. Like I wanted to enter Bollywood. Like I want to train celebrities. So I had a meeting with the event companies who are basically looking after the events of these Bollywood singers and you can say Punjabi rappers like Faisal Puria, Badshah and all that. So I had a meeting with them, and they give me some lessons to work on myself and social profile basically. So I'm gonna complete 3-4 months. I'm gonna work on that possibly. And I'll be having a meeting again. So hopefully in coming few years you'll see me training Bollywood stars.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
अच्छा, एक चीज़ मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, लाइक ये मेरे साथ भी होता है अक्सर कि मैं सोचती हूँ कि कल से एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करूँगी, बट वो हो नहीं पाता है.
हाँ.
तो कुछ मतलब इजी टिप्स या कुछ कि मैं हेल्दी रह सकूँ, या फिर सबके लिए लाइक एक हेल्दी और पॉजिटिव.
एक्सरसाइज का कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है, वो मेहनत है, वो करनी पड़ेगी. So कल वैसे कभी नहीं आता. तो if you thinking कि कल से करूँगी तो कल नहीं आता है, वो आज ही है. If you want to do it कल, तो you can spare 1 hour and you can do it today also. एक चीज़ है. When it comes to the diet, I have a lot of suggestions to give, but I would say 2 categories आती हैं इसमें. एक जिसकी बॉडी में मेडिकल इश्यूज हैं और हिस्ट्री रही है. दूसरी बॉडी जिसमें कोई भी मेडिकल इश्यूज एंड हिस्ट्री नहीं. अब मेडिकल हिस्ट्री में बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. बीपी हो सकता है, शुगर हो सकता है, यूरिक एसिड हो सकता है, नी पेन है, जॉइंट पेन है, बहुत सारी ये फिजिकल लाइक लिमिटेशंस आ गए. सो लेट्स से अगर हम वर्षा को स्क्वाट्स करा सकते हैं, सो एक नी पेन और जॉइंट पेन वाले इंसान को स्क्वाट्स नहीं करा सकते. ये डिफरेंस है. सो सेम गोज फॉर मी. इफ यू गाइज आर हियरिंग दिस आउट, अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस कि किसकी बॉडी, हर बॉडी अलग है. आई एम वांट टू गिव दिस मैसेज टू एवरीबडी. डोंट फॉलो एनीथिंग इन द फ्लो कि मेरी फ्रेंड ने ये खाया या मेरे फ्रेंड ने ये खाया और वो पतला हो गया या वो पतली हो गई या उसने वेट लॉस कर लिया. ये सही है, वो उसकी बॉडी को सूट किया, जरूरी नहीं है इट विल सूट योर बॉडी. इट माइट ruin योर बॉडी. सो डोंट गो विद दैट. इट्स अ मिथ कि उसने ग्रीन टी पी थी और
Weight loss हो गया
उसका
तो
वेट
मैं
लॉस
भी-
हो गया, बाकी नॉर्मल खाना ही खाया था उसने, बस ग्रीन टी पी थी, वो वेट लॉस हो गया, ऐसा
उसने
कुछ
शुगर
नहीं है।
कम कर दिया तो
उसने
उसका
शुगर
weight loss
कम
हो
कर
गया,
दिया, उसने
exactly.
वाइट चीजें वाइट स्टफ का इंटेक कम कर दिया, एंड प्लस यू कैन से ब्रेड्स ऑफ कर दिए, एनी टाइप ऑफ ब्रेड्स विच इंक्लूड चपाती ऑल्सो, वो ऑफ हो गई तो वेट लॉस हो गया. There is a different thing. Everybody has an intolerance level, and one should know which suits their body. मेरी body में क्या intolerance level है? Let's say I'm allergic to mushrooms, but if Varsha will eat mushrooms, it will suit her body. It's a very good source of protein. It will suit her body like anything. It will give her a more glow. The way she's glowing right now, she will grow more with that. But when it comes to me, मैं नहीं खा सकती. So it will start giving me allergies to all over my face.
So basically they have to go like
They
keeping
should
in mind
know their
body
body
type.
first. Yeah, they should know their body first. कि आपको आपकी सेल्फ स्टडी पता होनी चाहिए about your own body. Just don't go with whatever there is available in the market.
Exactly.
कि ये सही है, ये गलत है, और इसको ये सूट किया था तो मैं भी यही लूंगी और यही करूंगी and हो जाएगा. Please, your body is very very precious and God has designed it in such a various way. आप ना उसका नुकसान खुद ही कर सकते हो, कोई और नहीं कर सकता.
यार तो बना भी खुद सकते हैं तो नुकसान भी
हाँ,
खुद ही कर सकते
नुकसान
हैं.
भी खुद कर सकते हैं. एंड इट इज सो वेल डिजाइंड. लाइक अगर हमें छोटी सी चोट लग जाती है, यू सी रेड पड़ जाता है या थोड़ा फूल जाता है, दैट इन्फ्लेमेशन क्रिएट्स. दैट्स द आउटर शेल ऑफ द बॉडी व्हिच प्रोटेक्ट्स योर इनर बॉडी. तो वो अंदर के ऑर्गन्स को अभी तक वो टच भी नहीं हुआ होता है, वो सिर्फ वो जो बोलते हैं ना, अरे फूल आया है, छिल गया है. सो योर बॉडी इज इट्स लाइक दैट, इट्स सो रोबोटिक कि वो अपने आप को रिपेयर कर सकती है. तो एक मेजर चीज है जहाँ पे हम बहुत ज्यादा अपने आप को खराब कर लेते हैं इंटरनली. फ्रॉम देयर दैट पॉइंट वी नीड अ हेल्प. So I would suggest people not to just go with whatever there is available over the internet and कि मेरे को थायराइड है तो थायराइड की जो एक नॉर्मल डाइट चलती है इंटरनेट पे, यूट्यूब पे, मैंने तो वही फॉलो करती हूँ.
No, they don't have to do
It's
that.
not like that. अब थायराइड में there are medicines also, like a different type of mg medicines, like your 25 mg medicine intake, your 55, your 100, your 105 mg medicine intake. That definitely depends. Also what your doctor is recommending you is also does matter. So never take anyone's advice, and if people are giving you medicines also, never feel that वो अपना पैसा बना रहा है. They have something, they find something wrong in your body, or they feel that it is repaired by this only, that's the reason they are giving it to you. So never treat a single person as कि ठीक है वो जो कह रहे हैं वो कह रहे हैं, मैं तो करने अपनी वाली हूँ, like that.
तो आपका मतलब ये जो प्रोफेशन है उससे हट के आपको कुछ ऐसा पसंद हो, कोई अलग आर्ट फॉर्म जो आपको बहुत अच्छा
I
लगता हो?
dance a lot. I think I am trained by Shamak Davar and group, so I think I dance. When I dance very differently. People don't understand that, so they might feel that I'm trying to do something very different. But yes, when I dance, I generally don't dance like a normal dance forms. वो ऑटोमेटिकली अंदर इनबिल्ड हो गए या स्टडी किया हुआ है ना, तो वो जब निकलता है तो वो वैसे ही निकलता है. So I might keep my toes pointed. So it's just a mixture of contemporary and
yeah.
all that styles. So I enjoy that. Some days I'm very high in energy where I want to do like a Punjabi track and I'm just want to do dance for an hours. Someday I want to be very very technical with that also. So yes, this is one thing which I really like. Plus I think I enjoy counseling people a lot. Everybody's journey in not just in the weight loss but in general also. हर किसी से आपको ना बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है.
Exactly.
I feel especially हमारे जो बड़े हैं ना, they teach us a lot of good things. So I tend to sit with people who are double of my age, because then I can educate myself very well if that situation comes in my life. What am I supposed to do? How will I reach to that help? और मैं किसी और को क्या सिखा सकती हूँ अपने से. So I tend to sit with people who are double, triple of my age also, and I enjoy their company. I mean, be it if it is a male or female, I just sit down. I mean, I recently met a ACP who solves major cases of Delhi, like major murder cases of Delhi. So he said it on my face, like he's like, nowadays people doesn't require, like a girls doesn't require to get, you know, married at all. They're so strong enough individually. They do everything. क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं, सब लोग कर रहे हैं. I'm just not, you know, against of males or anybody or a marriage or anything, but this is what, you know, people are telling you. आप generally आप पुलिस वाले से ऐसी expectations तो होते नहीं है that they, you know, tell you this. So generally लोग समझाते ही हैं. So they were like, people are aware, things are changing now. लोगों के व्यूज बदल रहे हैं, थोड़ा ओपन माइंडेड हो रहे हैं. हम कभी कभी अपने सोसाइटी को देखे ना, जैसे 4 लोग बोल रहे हैं ये गलत है, तो हम भी कभी कभी बोल देते हैं ये गलत है. सो नाउ पीपल हैव ओपिनियंस एंड दे आर स्पीकिंग इट आउट, लाइक दे आर टेलिंग इट टू द पीपल कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा होना चाहिए.
दैट्स नाइस. ओके, तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपके जैसे बहुत लोग होंगे एस्पायरिंग, है ना, जो आपकी फील्ड में आना चाहते होंगे, जो हेल्थ कोच बनना चाहते होंगे, तो उनके लिए लाइक क्या एडवाइस है, क्या नेसेसिटीज़ हैं आपको लगता है?
I think education is very, very important. Just don't go by any shortcuts in life. Shortcuts थोड़े टाइम के लिए वर्क करेंगे, उसके बाद नहीं करेंगे. And if you want to become something, and if you want to really set up a standards in this industry, spend money in your certifications, spend money in your education. आपको अगर nutritionist, dietitian बनना है, so पहले अपना college खत्म करो with that. Like do your BSc and MSc in it first. Secondly, simultaneously you can actually go for, if you have like time, go for the certifications of it. Certifications are maximum like 6 months, 1 year. So it's like that. So you can actually spend time with it also simultaneously. Plus these certificates are valid only for 2 years. So make sure आप हर 2 साल के बाद इसको renew कराओ. हर 2 साल के बाद. So every time go for the same training, perform well. And in particular trainings के अंदर भी masters की degree है, masters certifications है. So just go and, you know, explore. Any one thing one person can opt. Any one thing. Let's say मुझे TRX पसंद है. Like I want to just do masters in it. TRX is just a band which we use basically.
Yeah.
Is something which you can, you know, climb it, or like you can cling it in the pole and you can use it for your arms, back, abs, everywhere. So अगर मुझे उसमें masters करना है, definitely I should have that much of, you know, endurance, good endurance power for that. So masters करने के लिए of course वो vision होना चाहिए कि मेरा उतना dedication है. Plus international certification holds a huge value. Hold a huge value, because if you're internationally certified, especially if you're reps certified trainer, then you are valid to work 7 other countries also. तब इतना struggle नहीं होएगा once you just leave out India and you want to work, let's say you want to work to Canada, anywhere else also. आपको इतना struggle नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You have all the international certificates. Just get yourself registered with that government and simply you have lots of opportunities waiting for you. And तब scratch से, like once we go out, our initial pay starts like 1.5 lakh रुपए या 2 lakh रुपए. But then if you are already registered and, you know, you have international certificates, your value will start from 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs as trainer per month. Plus you have other advantages also, which is commissions. We do get the commissions also. With the free GX classes we conduct, we get money for that also. Like weekly classes we conduct, events we organize, we train, we get the commission also for that. So I think we are just, anyways, we are at the par where we can actually grab a lot. So don't let anyone exploit you in this field also, and make sure learn a lot so that you can deliver best of your knowledge to the people.
Amazing. जाते जाते एक मैसेज, यू नो, ऑडियंस के लिए या फिर सोसाइटी के लिए
When it comes to health,
health.
Okay, I think मैं जैसे हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि कुछ भी खाने से पहले ना, या मुंह तक लाने से पहले बहुत सोचो कि ये जो चीज़ मैं खा रहा हूँ या मैं खा रही हूँ, ये मेरी बॉडी के अंदर जाने के बाद वो क्या रिएक्ट करेगा. सो प्लीज डू नॉट ईट एनीथिंग which you feel give you a taste. Just for the taste, just eat it. There are things which we make tasty also. So my recommendation is replace your daily habits with the healthy habits. चाय पीने की आदत हर किसी को होती है. People are addicted to चाय, like a दूध वाली चाय. They say हम शुगर नहीं डालते तो ठीक है ना? No. Replace it with a good thing. Replace it with the green tea. If you want to add, like if you don't like the texture and the taste of the green tea, just add lemon to it, honey to it, and it's equally healthy for you. मुझे पता है हैबिट्स तुरंत नहीं चेंज हो सकती, एक दिन में नहीं हो सकती, एक साल में भी नहीं हो सकती, बट स्लोली यू कैन जस्ट कट डाउन द थिंग्स. दिन की 4 चाय से 2 पे आ जाओ, 2 पे नहीं तो चलो 3 पे आ जाओ, 3 से नहीं तो फिर 2 पे आ जाओ, एंड जस्ट try to at some point you'll feel that now it's the time you can actually just leave it for life. अब आप उसको अपने लाइफ से हटा सकते हो. तो आई थिंक चाय एक चीज़ है जो हम सबके घर पे we have seen people, the guests coming over and everybody wants to, especially winters are approaching, people are going to have tea and coffee a lot. So tea especially. So I think वो कड़क चाय जो होती है ना, we need to just control on that. Plus I feel अनाज is something you should just always be in contact with, but chapati like we say is like a go with a gluten free stuff. अभी हो गया है, gluten free world हो रहा है थोड़ा. So at some point we should just leave chapati after certain age. So I recommend this to my clients who are above 50. I don't let them eat chapati at all. They do, but I give them a different texture. Like I make them mix oats and atta, and then they make a chapati, which is equally healthy for them at their age. So I think after certain age, everybody should stop eating chapati and they should switch to rice. People say, oh, rice is so high in calories, or white rice. I'm not saying brown rice. Don't go for fancy things. If you can afford fancy things, it's okay. But white rice is something हम सबके घर में बनता है, हम सब खा भी सकते हैं, and it's equally healthy and light also. So white rice खाने के बाद भी you can maintain your weight and you can lose the weight. So I would recommend रोटी को replace करो rice से, चाय को replace करो green tea से, or any other masala tea which you feel is very very good. Maybe you can use soft, maybe you can use methi seeds in that chai. Something which helps you a lot. अच्छा मेथी जिनको BP है, they can actually have it. Methi seeds water, that empty stomach in the morning. That is something which is also going to help them. So there are many things in our kitchen only, which we need to know. We need to know. We can use it in a various way. Plus replace your snacks with fruits. Fruits is.
I love fruits. I eat a lot of fruits.
And fruits is something is the best antioxidants. हम जो ये अभी due to corona we are actually eating this vitamin C medicine, Lim-C and all that. So just eat a lot of vitamins. Include that in your diet. It's anyways is the best antioxidant and helps your body to fight with the viruses as well. A small virus, maybe a fever also. So eat that. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. ऐसे नहीं बोलते. There is a science behind it. So it's something which we really need to understand. Of course, drink a lot of water. Women should consume around 3.5 liters of water. A man can consume 2.5 liters of water a day. So basically, ये दो difference है. We need to know. Plus, rest जो हमारे taste buds है ना, जो हमारे cheat days है, cheat meals है, and food है, just keep it for weekends. कि हम weekends पे अपनी मर्जी का खाएं. I'm not telling you to stop eating samosa and all that thing. That is jalebi, kachori, dum aloo, dosa, whatever you like. Whatever junk also you like, pizza, burger and everything. You can have, but just put one day for that. So in this way, you will be at least 5-6 days in a healthy, path. And one day it's okay to enjoy. We all party someday, right? We party weekendly. So it's okay. So वो चलता है. In this way, your metabolism also in a habit of eating all type of food and keep you healthy also. Plus suddenly अब जब weddings या कोई parties attend करने में like we'll say ना, अभी एक वीक तो पूरी शादी अटेंड करनी है, शादियों का सीजन आ गया है, यू विल नॉट गेन वेट इन दैट वे. यू शुड नो हाउ टू मैनेज योर वेट. दिस इज द वे यू कैन एक्चुअली एंटर इन इट. दैट्स माय एडवाइस.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच जागृति कि आप आई और आपने इतना अवेयर किया हमें हेल्थ और फिटनेस के मामले में.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग मी. आई थिंक आई एम grateful for you people because sometimes we want to educate people and tell people
and it is important also.
Yeah, but this is the right way to get the messages delivered. So I hope this will help people to understand.
Definitely, and I wish you all the best for all your future ventures.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this interview. I hope ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने और जानने को मिला. अगर आपकी जागृति से कोई क्वेरीज हैं तो आप प्लीज़ उन्हें कमेंट बॉक्स में पोस्ट करें. जागृति आपको पर्सनली रिप्लाई करेंगी. Till then, stay tuned at Poetry and You. We'll be coming up with another interview very soon.